Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see new mathematics standard question paper pattern CBSE class 10 for the year 2020 and 2021. This year CBSE has made a lot of changes in question paper pattern. So every class 10 student must to know about this one and start your preparation according to the new pattern. Let's see what are the changes happening in the new question paper. So coming to first general instructions. Here this paper contains two parts, part A, part B. Two parts we have. Both parts have internal choices. This time they are giving some choices for some questions. Next, we are going to see part A. How part A is being. It consists of two sections, section 1, section 2. Two sections we have in part A. First section. Section 1 has 16 questions of 1 mark. 16 1-mark questions are given to us. Internal choice is provided for 5 questions. Any 5 questions they will give choice. So section 1 has 16 questions, each carries 1 mark. So 16 marks you will get from section 1. Let's see section 2. It is the newest concept introduced in this year. So section 2 has 4 questions of 4 marks each. So 4 questions will be given, 4 into 4, 16 marks. You will get from section 2. So these questions are asked based on the case study. Yes, this is the newest topic, newest concept introduced for this year. So case study problems will be given as 4 questions. In each question, each case, it has 5 case-based part. Means in each question, again 5 sub-questions will be given to you. You have to answer any 4 out of 5. If you answer any 4 out of 5, that's enough. So 4 questions, 4 into 4, 16 marks you will get from section 2. Section 1, 16 marks. Section 2, 16 marks. So total 32 marks you will get from part A. Let's move to part B. So part B. In part B, it consists of 3 sections. Section 3, Section 4, Section 5. Let's see in detail. Section 3. Question number 21 to 26 means 6 questions are very short answer type questions. Each carries 2 marks. Internal choice is provided for any 2 questions. So 6 questions will be given for 2 marks. 6 into 2, 12 marks you will get from section 3. Now see section 4. Question number 27 to 33. Total 7 questions which are called short answer type questions. Each carries 3 marks. So 7 3 marks are given in section 4. So 7 into 3, 21 marks you will get in section 4. Internal choice is provided for any 2 questions. Section 5. Question number 34 to question number 36 means 3 questions which are called long answer type questions. Each carries 5 marks. Means 3 questions are given in section 5. Each carries 5 marks. So 15 marks will be getting from section 5. Internal choice is provided for any one question. From that 3, any one question they will give choice. This is about part B. So we have seen part 2A and part B, how the sections are being. Everything we have discussed. Now let's see overall marks allotment. So I given in terms of table here. So part A, part B. In part A, section 1, section 2. Part B, section 3, section 4, section 5. So in section 1, 16 questions, each 1 mark, total 16 marks. Section 2, 4 questions will be given, each is 4 marks. So 4 into 4, 16 marks. So section 1, section 2, both add means 32 marks you will get from part A. Now section 3, 2 marks will be given, 12 marks you will get. Section 4, 3 marks will be given, 21 marks. Section 5, 5 marks will be given, 15 marks. Total if you add means 48 marks. Part B 48, part A 32. So total paper is for 80 marks. So this is all about new mathematics standard question paper pattern. Hope you understand, my dear children. So you have to plan your schedule, your practice according to this new pattern, new question paper pattern. And I wish you very all the best to you.